Hello and welcome at Stocks Advisors channel, and today we're happy to show our new mobile application that is now available for Android devices on Google Play. Here you see its name. It's called Crypt Tech Charts Tracker. So this is a new device to follow and find a good cryptocurrency to trade. Probably you always ask yourself, especially if you're interested in cryptos, which crypto shall I trade? What's the current technical situation? How I find them? Especially, if, for example, if you go to Binance, there are more than 200 coins traded. They're changing all the time, so you don't know often how to find one. So now you have this tool. This is really a unique tool because it's different from others that are just showing you the current charts. This one is actually allowing you to find available technical patterns. So it overlooks all technical patterns at once in a very unique, never presented before actually, in a unique so-called pictographic way. So this is the way we developed here with our team of engineers. We call it pictographic way. So it allows you to see. Here you can scroll. I will show you now how to use it. You can scroll through entire market. It allows you to watch by 15 minutes and daily candles behavior, every pattern you want to see, and also make alerts to find that specific pattern you would like to trade through the pictographic way, because there is never you can find anywhere in internet or on mobile applications something that allows you to see entire market at once. Here you can do it. A little bit requires some learning because all those pictograms we have here for major things like candle patterns, what were the latest for candle combinations, SMAs, 20, 50, 200, EMA, MACD, so-called price versus SMA pattern. We will talk about all of these now. Also like pattern history, candles history for 15 or daily. Also MACD, histogram wave, is it upwards first, upwards second part of the wave, or negative first, negative second part of the way, etc., etc. We will talk about this now. So it allows you to see really uniquely on the pictographic way entire market. So let's have again a quick look how it works. First of all, the name is Crypt Tech, now available for Android devices. Later will be also for iOS because it's still like a testing. It's free. Just check it, try it. Very nice, very interesting approach, but requires a little bit learning. Read how to use it before you start using. So let's quickly look how you can use it and how it works. Well, of course, when you start it, it starts with the the first page. You can go to how to use it, everything. Let's go to the markets. When you open the market, you can clearly see it starts the market. It uploads information. You can list through market either by clicking here on top left, right arrows, then it will switch from one market to another. Alphabetically, you will see major 256 actually major coins on actually 280 major coins on Binance, alphabetically listed, and first three actually are BTC, ETH, LTC, and then you have everything alphabetically listed. So once you know the location of it on the page, you can always track it there. You can also click on the page number. It will upload immediately actually information from our servers. So the way it runs, actually, we have a special service running with bots analyzing the data for you and showing you in pictographic way, so you can immediately see for the latest candle behavior. You can. And there are many unique features. So now let's go feature per feature. First of all, it's the price that you see here. So it's the name of the coin and the price. For example, like ICP, the latest candle close price was 6.32, and then you see some actually patterns. And if you go, for example, to BTC, the most known, of course, Bitcoin, here's the first one. This is the latest price. Sorry. And then you see actually the candles pattern. So what does it mean? Let's go by parameter by parameter. So these pictograms, once you learn them, they really allow you to understand it very nicely. So first, its name and the price. So we will do it on the example of BTC. For the rest, it actually follows exactly the same. So Indeed, if you open BTC, the latest candle and price was exactly as depicted. Here you see it's developing now. So what are the other parameters? Another interesting parameter is the candle history. Here you see it's red, white, green, green, red, meaning the previous 4 candles behavior. Indeed, if you open it again on the Binance chart, you see it's red, white, white, red. So the last 4 closed candles pattern you can immediately see. So you don't need to go each time to Binance or other, let's say, engines. Now we speak only on Binance-based trading to find what the behavior of your coins. Now you can see it once at all coins you like to see. So you see all coins, all patterns of the candles history immediately seen. And this you can put in alerts and track it. So we will do it later, how to build alerts. The second feature is actually looking at moving averages. These are SMA 20, 50, 200 and EMA 20, 50, 200. And by the way, the data is updated every time automatically, every minute. That's what you just saw here. So what does it show? Here you have these pictograms showing you the behavior of SMAs and EMAs. For example, here it says SMA arrow down, piercing through, meaning it's turning to negative behavior. Indeed, let's check if it is the case. Exactly, that's the case. You can see here SMA 20, the green line is actually from upwards move, is now trying to turn and actually to form the classical descending pattern. And you see, you don't need to go to Binance, check it. You can see it immediately for all coins of interest at once. You see it's happening. For example, ETH is saying it's still positive, so SMA 20 is heading up, the same as for SMA 50, 200. Let's check it indeed for ETH. So we go to Binance, we say ETH to USDT. By the way, to mention, this is also always showing next to USDT. Indeed, you see, based on the previous closure, so the previous candle closure, we're not speaking about the current development, it was positive, 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 although now it's starting to bend, so once we have an update, it should be showing also bending down. And indeed, if we open it here, it's positive, positive, positive. After the update of this 15 minutes candle, it will show similarly to BTC, so declining. Again, history of candles, green, green, red, red. Let's check for ETH. You see green, green, the latest closed candles, green, green, red, red. So you can feel the behavior of their pattern. Okay, let's return to BTC because we said we will be doing example based on the BTC USDT pair. So, okay, let's have a look what are the next features. Again, these are placeable to alerts. You can track those in your alerts if you want to see when your SMA or EMA are bending upwards, downwards on different combinations. This all we will see later. Next very interesting parameter is MACD histogram. Well, we know it all. It actually shows us here, MACD histogram shows us actually how we can see the waves going up and down. Well, I don't have it here on the chart. We can quickly open it for the moment, and then we can actually track it as well. So technical indicator, let's do, we can find it here. MACD, let's add it, save. Indeed, that's what you see. So if you magnify here for MACD, let's do it closer, you can see the negative wave is starting, and it is in the first half of the negative wave. Exactly that is shown here, the first half of negative wave for MACD. So again, you don't need to go each time to every coin you like. You can see it on the entire market updated for you every minute immediately. The last pictogram, very important. This is like a unique one. It's called PVS. It's price versus SMA, so moving averages. Here you have three colors, green, blue, and red, representing, if you look at the normal classical chart, it represents you three moving averages here, 20, 50, and 200, green, blue, and red. And the dot shows you the price, so where the price is with respect to those three moving averages. So having the price and this pictogram, you can immediately imagine what happens with your chart. So you don't need to go to your charts. On the entire market, you can observe just by clicking here left and right, going to all coins, or to by creating your alert. You can follow and track and wait for that exact specific pattern combination on entire market at once. So you are controlling like a spider and sitting in the middle of the web, entire coin market at once. This you can do, and this you can create and build if you are waiting for a specific combination. Again, you see it's a dot, the price, relatively to moving averages. So it's green, blue, red. Indeed, if you go to Binance, it's the price again on the previous candle. It was on top by the opening, and it's green, blue, red. Now it's changing, of course. So once this candle will close, there will be update, and it will show then a green line on top, and in between will be actually the price dot and the blue and red. So it's updating. It's showing you the information at the previous closure of the candle. Why is it another one very important feature, and actually it's our kind of a unique combination, it's so-called PTS. So here if you press price, you see its price will be depicted here. But if you write PTS, it will show you a percentage with respect to latest simple moving average 20. So this is very important parameter. It's a parameter that shows you the current fast-paced behavior of your coin. For example, here INT 0.98 means that your price at the latest coin closure was below 2% than SMA 20. Why is it important? Because usually when it goes those low levels, and when your candle combination, you see it's red, green, red, red, and your MACD wave is here, like you expect a sudden return of the price. So if you're a fast technical trader on 15-minute candles, you can trace it. Let's check indeed if this is the case for INT. So we go again to Binance, we say just INT. So you see you can control entire market immediately. Indeed, that's exactly the case. Red, green, red, red. Current is again red. Price is much lower than SMA 20 and 2%. So this is the right moment. Soon the reverse will be known. If you're a technical trader, you know this is the exact pattern you are waiting for. This is one of the classical trading patterns. Quickly to trade here and return, because this previous candle was showing low negative shadow. So it's kind of turning. If you wait a little bit, we will see it's going up. So immediately, if you would put it as a technical indicator, you have 1% profit just on spot. And the most funny thing is you can place all these patterns or others that you like in the alerts. You can build those alerts, you can save those and track. So this is very unique feature. PTS, we call it price to SMA 20. Or price, you can choose what you do. It checks everything at once, an entire market on Binance. This is the unique thing. You just go through the list of coins fixed alphabetically here for you, and you see entire market behavior. So you don't need each time hundreds of times click on Binance chart and trying to see, okay, what's this coin doing, what's that coin doing, is it right moment, do I miss something or not? No worries anymore, you see it all here. So now if you know the pattern you like, you know the relative position of your price versus moving average, if you're interested in that, you can build your alert and track it. You go to build alerts. Here you have all possible pictograms, so all possible combinations for SMA, EMAs, candle formations for last 4 candles, MACD histograms, and the price versus SMA. So as I said, dot is price. Green is SMA 20, blue is SMA 50, and red is SMA 200. So how to build your, and here you have 6 slots. You choose the slot where you would like to save your actually alert. Okay, let's do the first slot. It's red, so meaning that every time this alert will work, it will be highlighted by red. And now you choose, for example, you want to see all candles that were showing at the 15 or daily candles, like 4 reds, for example. Yeah, one of the trade techniques. 4 reds, and then it's just giving a green one. Okay, you click here, you see it immediately picks up here. If you don't want to track all other candles, or all other parameters, you can just say save alert, and then alert is saved. You can view your alerts here one by one, all your 6 alerts shown. You see all others are empty. One is saved as this one, you know it's just candle parameter 444. Now you go back to market, and you don't need again to do anything. You just see immediately at the 15-minute candles, whenever your alert worked, it highlighted here by red. So you go to that list and it shows you ISR for reds. Okay, let's check if this was indeed for the latest 4 candles ISR for reds for USDT pair, and voila, you have it. Red, 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 red. So you see, if you are red, red, red trader, as they call it, you would wait here for low and make your profit. So that's a very simple, unique feature in our tool. So you, and again, I repeat it many times, you follow entire Binance at once. It's never seen feature. You cannot find it anywhere in any other application. You go next list again, another coin showing the same behavior, BTS, 0.999% for coins. We can make another alert, for example, view alerts. Oh, by the way, if you don't like this alert, you can clean it here, clear it, or you can go to builder and just do it here. By clicking and clicking, you create whatever pattern you like. For example, you are interested in MACD wave finishing from and returning from negative to positive. You choose this one, yeah, and other parameters if you like, but let's just stick to this one. You choose it again. You choose, for example, second slot, save alert. It's saved. View alerts. Okay, it's there. Go to market. You go to market. You see, okay, you see many coins are actually showing it like this. So like Cocos. Let's check if Cocos is indeed showing this. Okay, we go Cocos. Let's check it. So you see, I'm just checking it online with you, and we look at MACD wave. Indeed, it's showing here the returning behavior. So soon it will pierce upwards. It's actually already starting. You see the positive action is taking place. It's going to positive price, so you can make your quick profit here. This is for technical traders, I think, a unique feature. If you're not 15 minutes trader, okay, you can go daily, exactly the same feature. It will check if your alerts are working for daily. Well, in this case, it's a lot giving this MACD wave returning. And this is, of course, known that now globally for daily candles market is kind of preparing to boost up. So you see it, again, you can do the price if you like, or you can do price relative to SMA 20, but this time is on daily candles. So this is the tool. It's not allowing you to trade, it's just allowing you to track. This is very important. If you want to trade, you just go to Binance for USDT and you trade. And if you want to know how to use it, well, just go here. You can read this quick tutorial explaining every actually pictogram, what it means, how to use it, and how to make your alerts, how to save them, etc. So this is the tool we have created for you for trading cryptos. Again, it's still on kind of beta testing, the final testing, so that's why it's only for Android devices. Once it's tested fully, it will also be released for iOS. And by the way, we are not forgetting for people trading also stocks. We are developing similar tool following the most valuable 560 stocks of New York Stock Exchange, and Nasdaq will be soon available on the first again for Android and then for iOS after trading. You might be also thinking why our channel was not active that long, and that's exactly the reason, because we were developing these tools with a team of engineers. And we were actually developing not the tool itself scripting was quite quick, but we were developing this unique pictographic feature, pictographic way to oversee entire market, because this is the ultimate problem for every trader. If you are a technical trader, you know it. You always have a difficulty to find the right coin or to find the right stock, which will be coming in the new and upcoming tool. Now you have this opportunity. Please check it. We really value your comments. With your comments, if you need extra features, we will be adding it to our tool. So check it, use it, good luck, make a lot of profits. Again, for now, Android devices, the name of the tool is Crypt Tech Charts Tracker. We just released it, so not that many downloads, but with your help, I think we can bring it and make it a very unique and very helpful for you. So good luck with this. See you at Stocks Advisor other episodes, and we will be releasing more videos and examples how to trade with this application, and actually also how to trade with stocks. We do it with coins, etc., etc. So see you in other fruitful videos. Good luck with this one. Please check it. Write in comments if you like it or not, or what you would like to have there as well. We will take it into account definitely. So good luck with it. Thank you for watching, and see you at another episodes on Stocks Advisor channel.